Wait, have you been trying to make money online and has been very difficult? In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way you can make $0.2 right now. Yes, just right now by people signing up through your link to a certain website. This website I'm going to show you, it is a very widely used website all over the world, and the function of this website I'm going to tell you in a little minute, in a little second. So if you have been trying to make money online and it has been extremely difficult, watching this video will make life more easier for you, because I will show you in a few minutes how you can make $0.2 by people just clicking on your link. So when they click on your link and just register, all you have to do is just to register. Instantly you make $0.2, but when they actually make a purchase, you make $20. It's very easy. I will show you the website right now. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing by creating video on how you can make money online and how to be more productive in your business. So let's jump right into it now. This is the website, Grammarly.com. With Grammarly.com, they have a lot of functionality, and there are millions of people that come to this website on a daily basis. All they have to do is to just come. For you to make money, they have to come to this website and just sign up. It is easy. So for you to begin, click on the link below. When you click on the link below, you will come here. It is very important you click on the link below. Yes, the link below, you see the caption Grammarly sign up. Click on it and instantly you'll be brought to this home page here where you can sign up. Now let's talk a little bit about Grammarly. So Grammarly is about, Grammarly believes that everybody should be a good writer. So they have to correct your mistake, your grammatic error, your mistakes, your typing mistakes, spelling error, and they are so wonderful. And one thing about this Grammarly is that they help you to even write what is your mind. So immediately you make a mistake, they will correct it to the right way. Is that not beautiful? So many of us we have problem on writing, and there have been grammatic error. Probably want to write want to write your CV, want to write an email address, want to write an email, you want to do something on social media, and people are making jest of it because of your spelling error. With this, it is very easy to correct everything for you, and with Grammarly, it is very possible. It is connected to your email, as you can see, it's connected to your documents, it's connected to your social media handles, and everything is very easy, and they have to correct your grammar, your spelling error. Alright, so all that being said, how can you actually make money with this? So let me tell you something about their plan. Now Grammarly has a plan, and we have a free plan. For you to make money, if you refer people to sign up for this free plan, that you make $0.2. So if you sign up for the premium plan, you will make $20. It is very easy. No person will use this platform without intending to upgrade. I must tell you that it is very easy. They have to upgrade. They will definitely upgrade, because this platform has great exclusive offers, great exclusive functions and features that will propel people to actually come and upgrade. But for you to make money right now, just send. Immediately when you click on the link below, the Grammarly sign up link, you see it, click on it below in the description button, in the comment section or description button. When you click on it, you will sign up. So when you sign up, what you have to do, okay, let me tell you, maybe you sign up, you can just come down here. So when you sign up, you come down to the home page and just click on them. Okay, let me see. Click on plan. So when you click on plan, you will go to this home page where you can see more about what they have to offer. So they have to offer correction, the correction of mistakes, clarity, engagement, and delivery. They also help to detect, this plagiarism, stuff like that. And one thing you have to do is that for you to make money, it is easy. As I said earlier, people have to just click on your link, sign up, and you're good to go. So their free one here is just, as you can see, it's absolutely free. Now their premium is $12. It's $12, but when you refer people here and they actually make premium, you are going to earn $20. Okay, how did I know this? Alright, so let's come down. You just have to come down here a little bit here. Okay, come down and click on their affiliates. When you click on their affiliates here, instantly you'll be brought to this home page here. With this home page here, you can see everything is well explained. What they have to do is that people will sign up. The sign up will just cost them 1 minute. It is very easy. That's why I say that this application is very easy. For them to sign up, it will just take them just a minute. You can see just a 60 seconds and they are good to go. 60 seconds to sign up here, and they also give you so many opportunity in case you probably you have a website. You can just put the banner, people click on the banner and actually begin to make money, and you have the opportunity to earn big. Yes, you earn big. So let's consider the commission details. Now you can see here, let me show you these commission details here. The free plan, the free registration, we earn you. Okay, sorry about that. Let me reduce this a little bit. Now, the free registration will earn you $0.2. $0.2. That is 0.20 cents. That is to earn you 20 cents. So the higher people come to your link and sign up, the higher you make money. It's not a month they actually make sales. So now it's not a month they actually purchase anything. But for them I'm assuring you that when people come and sign up, there's a great tendency and possibility that they will upgrade, because this website, this Grammarly, will give them so many opportunities, so many reasons to upgrade. So when people just come here and click on your link, instantly when your friends, your family, your colleagues, your social media followers click on your link, you will make 2 cents. 2 cents, that is $0.2. $0.2 instantly. That is wonderful. So the larger number of people that come on your link and sign up, it's just like a good CPA marketing strategy. You promote your link, people sign up, they enjoy the program, you make money. It's very quick. So just come here and click on become an affiliate. So when you click on become an affiliate, you'll be brought to this homepage where you can actually sign up as an affiliate. So here you put your business name. You can also type any business name you want to put here. For example, I just type my name here as my business name, Daniel Adewoboye. You can just put your business name depending on the name that you want, and it is compulsory. So when you see this asterisk mark here, it means it is compulsory. So let me come down and put my website here. This website is not compulsory, as you can see, it's not compulsory, but you can just fill up everything. At least it does not harm. So if you don't have a website, you can just come to your Facebook, for instance, here, your Facebook, and copy the URL of your Facebook. You can just put it there and you are good to go. But as for me, I can leave it vacant because it's not compulsory. Then you are going to fill in your address, which is compulsory here. So you're going to put in your address, your address number, This one is not compulsory. It's not a must you put this first one here, this one here. You put your city, your country. I'm in Nigeria. You put Ogun State, you put your zip code. In case you don't know your zip code, just go online and search for the zip code of your city. And to pop up, so you put your phone number, then you put your email address. It's very compulsory. You put your email address before we send a verification just to make sure that you are actually real human being. Then you put your password here. Then you put your password. Then you confirm the password. Put your first name, your last name, your title. No, this title is also optional. You put your title. Now, this part is very compulsory. This site is the website. So you can actually, if you have a YouTube channel, you can copy the YouTube link and put it there. YouTube, the YouTube URL, your own YouTube URL, and put it there. Or you put your social media handles, anyone like Instagram or Facebook, put it there, and you are good to go. Very easy. They'll come here and click on I agree, and click on this one here. I also content, and you click on sign up. Immediately you sign up, you are good to go. So let me show you how the dashboard looks like. So here now I've already signed up. So I've already sent my link, and I've done everything. I've confirmed the link. I am here. So sometimes they send the link. You have to check your email spam, because sometimes you may actually find itself there or anything like that. So maybe that is being done. You'll be brought to this dashboard. Now this dashboard is relatively new. So when you are brought to this dashboard, all you have to do is to get your link. Very easy. Just come here and get your link. And to get your link, it is very, very easy. Alright, you can just come and click on this grammar checker link. So when you click on grammar checker link, it's going to pop up. Now I'm inside my affiliate program. So all you have to do is just to copy this link, copy this your affiliate link, and begin to tell people about it, and begin to paste it every year and there, and boom. You need to make money. It is very easy. You need to make money. When people just click on your link, you make money. Tell people about Grammarly on your social media and do. Immediately you just copy this link, post it there about that. This website is very easy, and that way you can make money. Make it very easy to go to Quora.com. Go to Quora.com. Okay, for example, let me just show you how this thing is being done here. I just come to Quora.com. Quora.com. I click enter, and you can post your link there. Just tell them. So there's so many people that actually want to get their error corrected. Okay, I'm going to sign in. So okay, let me sign in with Google and show you how this is being done. It's very easy. It's very easy. I'm going to sign in now. Okay. Alright, so yeah, I'm signing in. Just to show you. So you can also create an account with Quora. If you don't have an account, then you're going to sign in. Then you will locate people that are actually talking about correction. People that are trying to correct. Alright, this is going to take quite a while. So I will not show you the full details because it's going to take me a little bit to get it done. Alright, so let me see. Let me just see. Let's see how things is going to be. Let me just show you everything, all the step-by-step process, and we are good to go. Okay, so I'm here in my phone now. I've typed yes, so just to confirm that I'm the one that's trying to log in. So I've already typed yes now, and alright, so I have another screen here. So yes, I'm typing yes. So just give me a few minutes. So then I've clicked on the number that is 44. and I'm good to go. So I want to show you how things is being done with Quora. That's another way you can actually promote. You can promote your link and make people to actually come here and sign in. So if you have mentioned you don't want to put on social media, but our advice is also put it on social media, and those people easily click on link, put it in your Facebook status, Facebook, and you are good to go. So just come here and click on grammatical. Just click on writing. You can just click on writing. So you search for people that actually have interest in writing. So when you click on writing, for example, you will see people asking questions. So grammar is just about question. When you click on writing, enter any one of them that have many things. Like here now, what are the good writing skills, the basic writing, this thing about writing, or okay, you can see how can I improve my English writing skills. You can also, for example, click on this and tell them that yes, there's a way you can improve your writing skills. There's a website that will help to correct some error that I've committed, and this will help you. Tell them about it, put your link there, sign up with it, and when you with Quora, it is possible they make purchase. But if you want to make money with just $0.2 easily, tell your friends and family, tell everybody you social media and they click on it, you make money. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have gotten value in this video, don't forget, if you're a new subscriber, kindly subscribe and then turn your subscriber. Thank you so much for trusting me. I love you so much, and keep making money online.